you hear my song?
Yeah, I did. Achoo. Oh.
Bless you. Maybe I should give my flowers away. I'll give her a bouquet of flowers for you.
Oh, that would be very sweet.
Make you joyful
That would
and
make me...
happy and make you light up.
Yeah.
And love. But I can only put one finger up.
He likes to point, huh?
Point where?
I don't know.
Oh. Oh. I gave him a kiss on that ear.
And it made him smile.
Light up. That'd be so cute.